Are you tired of being broke or waiting endlessly for a job? Today, I'm going to share 3 side hustles you can start in Nigeria with absolutely zero capital. Yes, you heard that right. Zero capital. That's right, because it's absolutely free. You don't need any form of capital to start this particular side hustles ideas I'll be discussing in this video. So let's dive straight into the video, because honestly guys, I don't want to waste your time. You have to jump on this right now. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my face for the very first time, this is the Creative Susan, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Let's dive straight into the video. Side hustle number 1 is social media management. Guys, with social media management, so many people are cashing out real cash, good cash, because lots of small businesses in Nigeria want to grow online, but they don't even know how to. Most business owners, they don't even know how to use their phones. They don't even know how to go on social media and start spending time. So if you already spend hours on Instagram, TikTok or Facebook, why not get paid for it? Okay, all you need is your smartphone, which you have. That's why you're watching me in this video. Okay, so you can start by helping a friend. Okay, find someone around you that is into a business or a local business and manage their page for free. You will start for free, so that from there you can start building more. You can use that as a portfolio to help build your portfolio, then pitch your services to others. Okay, through that, now people can know that yes, this is the kind of thing you do. You can learn content creation, scheduling posts, and growing followers, all for free on YouTube. Then you now use all of this to come and be helping those people. Like at first you have to start from helping them before you start charging small, and by the time you start growing their page, they will even refer you to other people. Okay, so side hustle number 2 is affiliate marketing. You don't need to own any products, just help others sell their products and earn a commission. You see, this particular one, I have used this so many times. Like, it has really helped me. So in Nigeria, we have some platforms like Stake Cards, Leonoflex, Expert Naira, and even Jumia affiliates. Like, you can learn all this and promote their products and earn profit from it. All you have to do is to copy their affiliate link, share it on your WhatsApp, your Twitter, Facebook groups, or TikTok. When someone's buy, then you earn a commission for it. And you can also look for like small business owners in your area. Okay, small business owners, snap the products they are selling in their shop, you ask them for the price, you post it online. Okay, add your own profit. Remember to add your own profit. Or you can also create a WhatsApp group, get the pictures of these products and be posting it there. Then when you have customers, you go and get it from there, you pay the customer and collect your profit. You send it to the person that bought paid you. You don't need to do. Side hustle number 3 is freelancing. Okay, can you write, can you design, do voiceovers, or even translate? Guys, all these are earning people good money. Then offer your skills on one platform. Like, do we have many platforms? But you can start from ones. We have platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Nigerian sites like TerraWork and sidehustles.ng. Start with what you know already. You don't have to be perfect before you start all these side hustles I am mentioning here. You don't have to be perfect. Start from scratch. You don't need a laptop. Okay, so even if you don't have a laptop, there is no problem with that. There are many tasks like writing or voiceovers on this site that you can just, it can be done with your phone. Okay, so there's no excuses like, hey, I don't have a laptop, I don't have this, I don't have that. So guys, you have seen, we have discussed 3. So let me do a recap now. Number 1, I said, is social media management. Okay, start from small. Start by doing it free. All those time you're spending on Facebook, this, that, be spending on data watching other people's video. Use it, let it work for you. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. You can actually affiliate for people that has businesses in your area. And number 3 is freelancing. You don't need a laptop to start freelancing. Okay, so if you don't have money, there is no excuses. Again, just your phone, your time, and your consistency is what is needed. Okay, so if this video helped you, like this video, comment I am ready. I want to see your comments in this comment section and tell me the particular one you're starting with, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online in Nigeria and any other place you are in the world. This video is going to help you. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and see you in my next video. Bye.